Hey, Pop, I got one. Baba. No freaking way. Number one, second cast, boy. Thank you, buddy. Here, look here. Yep. Number two. Hey, they're so fat. Thank you, buddy. Since I caught two off of this pipe, I think what we need to do is just drive to the pipes. Because that's the most structure in here, I believe. Oh, another one. Another one. What the heck? Yeah, somewhat. There you go. We went in the canal and my papa didn't catch any, and I caught three off that one pipe. So we went down the canal, fished up and down the canal after that, and couldn't get a bite at all. So now we came to this public park pond, and it's real grassy, but it's really shallow, so maybe I can see some like pre-spawning bass. That'd be sweet. But anyways, let's get to the fish catching. Let's go one. Oh yeah. Did you not even know that he was on?
I was on him. I was hanging. I mean, backlash.
You got pliers?
Always backlash. Oh.
Watch me have one on mine. Yeah. Bye-bye, buddy. Oh, another bass right there. What? What? Did you see that? Hey, I released the bass and another bass came up and nudged him and swam off like this together. I think that you caught a male or a female on a bed over there. You had to have. That's a good bass too. Hey, look here. He's right here. Right here. That bass that you caught, he came up. Oh, he's right there. He's right there. Look at him. You see him? He's right there. See him? Huh? Trust me, he ain't gonna bite. I've already tried. I don't know if he's on a bed right there. That's the same bass that came and got yours. So weird. Oh, he went right over to it and sucked it in and spit it back out really fast. Just gonna leave it sitting there. Oh, I got him! I got him! Oh, finally! Ow, 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 ow. Finally! got him. Oh my God, it took forever. He was on the bed too. That's why it took so long. Look, there's a little brim. Thank you, buddy, so much. He didn't fight much. He basically just gave up. Oh, he soaked me. Oh.